So in this video, we are going to talk about the laws of surds. So surds are numbers with square roots to keep it simple. So we have the first law as seen in the diagram. Root A by root B is equals to root AB. With numbers, this would look like this. So square root 5 by square root 10 would be equals to square root 5 by 10, which is root 50. Now the second law says root A by root A is equals to root A squared, which is 8. So let's look at this with a real number, any real number. The ABC and D in the laws here are any real number. So let's just make a note of that. A, B, C, D are elements of the real numbers. The next video would be discussing the different types of numbers or the different sets on number systems. So root pi is a real number by root pi is equals to square root of pi squared. Recall from the laws of indices that a root is this is pi squared. Pi squared to the power of a half, and from the laws of indices, 2 by a half would just equals pi. Hence E, when root E by root E is multiplied. 3. 2 root 4 by 3 root 6. You take the product of the 2 and the 3, which is 6, and from law 1, 2 roots, take the product of the numbers within the roots. 4 by 6, 24. Example 4. Law 4. Square root of 2 all over the square root of 3 equals the square root of 2 on 3. That's a very simple one. 5. Square root of 2 all over the square root of 3. This law would be discussed in our next video. This is something called rationalizing. So rationalizing. In the next video, we would talk about this, and then we would talk about sets and number systems. Same goes for law 6, that is rationalizing and all too. So that's it for this video. Next video, rationalizing involving Surds.